Down in the bottom of this hole, I actually have a post hole size hole going down in. And the reason for that is every spring when all this road starts to melt, the water runs off and goes down and drains out here. The problem is, of course, over time, soil, leaves, and all that stuff get in and it slowly fills that hole in. So my plan is to dig that hole back out. And then I'm going to drop this tube down in there, but leave it up above ground a little ways so the water hits and then the soil hits this, but the water will have to go up over this to go down. So always do some standing water around the edge of this, but then the water can come up over it and we'll have a lot less debris. And then I can just clean around it in the spring really quick. So I'm going to get the camera over here close and kind of show you what I'm talking about, and then we'll get that hole dug out. This is all, it's just this driveway here. When it drains, it all comes down this way. This is the low point. And I dug this hole, and this hole works great. But it's filling in again. I might have to go back and get a shovel. Let me just start getting that cleaned out and show you what we're gonna do. All right, after cleaning the debris away from the hole, there's the hole itself. And we're just gonna use the post hole digger here to dig that back down as deep as it was. Right now it looks like it's about 2 feet deep. But originally it was about 6 feet. So we're going to get this back down to its full depth, and then we'll slide this tube in, mark it, and then we'll cut this off. I'll have enough of this tube left over for another one somewhere else. All right, so I have the hole dug back out. Probably can't see to the bottom, but it's down there a little ways. I'd say about 5 feet or so. And of course, the bottom of this pit's about 4 feet below the grade here, so quite a little drop. So that's where the water always settles. Now we just got to cut this pipe off and drop it in place, and now I'll show you what that's going to look like. And I apologize, I forgot to show you, but I just used this Husky air tool with the reciprocating blade in it and just chop this off. So I'm not really worried about the look because that part's going to be down the hole anyway. But yep, that's what I used. Cut it right off. Works slick as you know what. All right, we have our section of pipe cut off here. I'm going to go ahead and slide it down in the hole. And this thing has a broken part on it, so I'm going to have it this way because the water usually comes in from this side anyways. And I'm hoping I can actually get that to go down a little bit more. I should have brought a board with me. I want it up some from the hole because I want the water to come in here, settle, fill up, and then go in and leave the sediment on the side that I can clean around at a later time. I'm not even going to fill around the side of this. It's going to fill in on its own anyways. So that should do it right there. And this is well below the grade of the driveway by a couple feet. So I think we're just going to try that and see what happens. And the good news is I have a smaller post hole digger that will slide right down inside here, that if it does get sediment in there building up, that I can go back down in there and clean it out and get that sediment out. So that's what we're going to try. We're just going to leave this here. I probably will get a block of wood and a sledgehammer and bring this down a little more. It's just sand down below there now. But hopefully this will help resolve the filling in issue, and this will drain a lot better. Hey, thanks for swinging by Shane's Mini Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.